Hey, I just wanted to show you in this video, it's going to be real short. I promised I would show you what this extra call trigger is right here. We've gone through the AI call trigger and the bonus one I sent out. So let's show you real quickly what this extra call trigger is. So if I click in here in this folder and then I click on this action, this is the only purpose of this is just to show you how to build this if you need it. So first I'm going to show you what it is, and then I'm going to tell you why you would need it. What this is, it's a custom webhook, and it connects to SynthFlow's URL for their API, and then the bear token would be your account's API token. So this you can use. This is their global API URL to call out so that it makes the call to their system. And then the token, you'll choose bear token. That will be the actual API token in your SynthFlow account. You want to copy this here. You want it to look exactly like this. Here you'll put the model ID. This will make it so it calls the correct assistant so that it references the right script. Then you add the contact's name. You can add their email here. You'll definitely want to add their phone number. Make sure it's the phone raw. And then here's where you can add some custom variables. Now, this essentially is just replicating the make call trigger that you saw in my previous video. Let me show you that one more time. Go back. If we go into my normal call trigger flow and I scroll down, this is the SynthFlow make a phone call trigger. If you have access to the marketplace and you can download their app, it allows you to have this one. And it's just really what they did was they masked a custom webhook to make it look more user-friendly so that you could input your data as I showed you how to do it in the previous video. But essentially, this is just a custom webhook. And you find that by clicking the plus and just typing in custom. And right here, it is not, let's type in webhook. I want to show you the difference. There is a regular webhook and there's a custom webhook. The crown always means that the Go High Level charges you a little extra. It's like a penny per time that this is triggered. You always have to use the custom webhook. So it is one that costs a little bit extra money. It is the same for the make phone call trigger. That does cost an extra penny as well. So if you click the custom webhook, then you'll start to see that format. It gives you some data down here, which is incorrect. You'll need to change authorization to bear and then put in the URL right here. Custom and post, this is correct, so those you can leave. But again, just to go back, show you what the final version looks like. It looks like this here. If you click into it, a custom post URL, add your API here, and then all the values so that it can make the phone call. The reason why you would need this is there are some clients I work with that are on a sub account through another agency like me, but some of those agencies limit you so you can't download things from the marketplace. I'm not really sure why. I don't limit any of my users, but this is how you get around that, where you can still integrate with SynthFlow without having their actual trigger downloaded from the app marketplace, because you don't really need that. It's just for convenience. So I hope that helped you understand why you would need this. Again, if you do need this, basically you're just going to copy this and insert that action in the same area. You can still build out this call trigger the exact same way. Like this, you're just going to insert that webhook here. So you'll delete this one and then push plus and type in custom, add the webhook, and then add in all the information and save it. It's going to replace that action right there. So hope that helps.